Hi, welcome to the delicious recipes. Today we're gonna cook pancit bihon. And this is the ingredients we're gonna use for today. Rice noodles or bihon. You can use any kind of rice noodles what you want. If you not live to the Asian country, just go to the Asian store close to your place. Carrot, green peas, celery, cabbage, onion, garlic, green onion, sesame oil, soy sauce, cooking oil, salt, pepper, chicken, and chicken stock. First thing we're gonna do, boil the chicken 15 minutes or more. Put the 3 cups of water because the soup of the chicken we're gonna use for cooking in the rice noodle. You can use the chicken stock from the store, but I prefer to use the natural soup of chicken. And we're gonna put the pepper, salt, and onion. After boil the chicken, I shred into the small pieces, and this is the soup of chicken. This is 2 cups. We're gonna set aside this and we're gonna stir fry the other ingredients. Put the celery but don't put the leaves. We're gonna put the leaves of celery when we cook the rice noodles. sure guys the vegetable is not overcooked, and our vegetable now is halfway cooked evenly and crunchy. We're gonna take out this into our pan and set aside because we're gonna cook our rice noodle in this soup. And now let's start to cook our rice noodles or bihon. Guys, it's up to you if you want to cut shorter or not. Some other people, if they cook noodles, they don't want to cut. But for me personally, I cut because it's easier to eat. It's not too long noodles, especially I have a little kid in our home. Guys, once you say the rice noodle is soft and they are not stick together, it means they are cooked already. Okay guys, turn off the stove now because our rice noodle is already cooked. And next we're gonna put our leaves of celery, and that's why I put separately the leaves from the branch of the branch because the leaves is harder obviously. And the leaves is cooked too fast, and if you cook halfway evenly the leaves of celery, the smell is so good and gives more good flavor. Guys, don't forget turn off the stove. Once you put the leaves the celery, you need to turn off the heat because the celery is gonna overcook, and once the celery is gonna overcook, the good smell it's gonna disappear. The sesame oil is optional. I put the sesame oil because it gives more tastier and good smell. Okay, we're gonna put it back our other ingredients to our pan and mix it. And voila, this is our pancit. You can squish the calamansi, but if you don't have calamansi, just use the lemon. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.